look here at the history of the Margaret Bridge in Budapest, the second permanent bridge that crosses the river, is widely celebrated for its unique structure, design, and historical value. It was designed by a French engineer who built it with his firm and constructed it from 1872 to 1876. The bridge features a 165-degree bend at its middle point. While it often mistakes for an engineering mistake, it is a unique design that connects the bridge directly to the Margaret Island. Extending connection to the bridge to the island and was part of the original plans, but it was not until 1899 due to funding concerns. The ironwork at the bridge was constructed and the piers were massive, topped with winged female figures, both of which French sculptors designed, giving the bridge its interesting appearance and made it for a favorite for photographers and painters alike. Now, during World War II, there was an explosion and a reconstruction. November 4th, 1944, German forces who have mined a bridge in preparation for its retreat accidentally demolished the explosives during afternoon rush hour. The blast killed 1,000 civilians and soldiers. In 1945, the remaining structure of the bridge was destroyed by German army, leaving only the wings leading island almost. The post-war recovery difficulty was due to shortages. The bridge was eventually reconstructed in stages, and the second half started opening in 1946, and a full structure completed in 1948. We did see some major changes in modern day, like in 2009 to 2011. The structure underwent some changes, and it's definitely a popular destination for photographers looking throughout the city. It also has the train line cutting through it as well. That's it for this video. As you see, there's other videos that have popped up on your screen. Be sure to click, like, and subscribe as we consistently try to find the best golf course around the world.